Welcome back to Car Flair. Today, we present an extraordinary masterpiece of engineering and opulence, the 2026 Luxury Multi-Decker Motorhome, a marvel designed for those who demand the ultimate in travel sophistication and comfort. This is not just a motorhome, it is a moving palace, crafted to redefine the meaning of luxury on wheels. From the first glance, the exterior commands attention with its futuristic curves, multi-tiered deck design, and sculpted body finished in a sleek metallic sheen. The elongated silhouette flows seamlessly across its multiple levels, supported by 8 high-performance wheels that ensure unmatched stability and grace on every journey. The front fascia boasts a bold grille flanked by precision LED headlamps, giving it a commanding presence on the road. Chrome accents and continuous LED strips add a touch of elegance, illuminating the structure like a luxury yacht gliding through the night. As you move along the exterior, panoramic windows stretch across the sides, offering breathtaking views and inviting natural light into the expansive interior. The retractable side terrace transforms any stop into a private retreat, while the integrated lighting beneath the decks adds a warm golden glow, setting the tone for evening elegance. Inside, this multi-decker motorhome is a sanctuary of refinement. The lower deck hosts an open-plan lounge adorned with plush leather seating, a full gourmet kitchen, and a lavish dining area, perfect for entertaining guests on the go. The second deck offers private suites with king-sized beds, ensuite spa-inspired bathrooms, and walk-in wardrobes. At the top, a panoramic sky lounge awaits, featuring a jacuzzi, sunbeds, and a private bar to enjoy sunsets in absolute serenity. Cutting-edge technology runs throughout this motorhome. A fully digital cockpit with AI-assisted navigation ensures a seamless driving experience, while the smart control system manages lighting, climate, and entertainment with a simple voice command. State-of-the-art suspension delivers a cloud-like ride, while the hybrid powertrain offers both power and efficiency for long-distance adventures. Safety is paramount, with advanced driver assistance features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree surveillance to navigate urban streets and open highways with ease. This is not just transportation, it is a statement of success, freedom, and elevated living.
No check-ins, no check-outs, just total freedom on 4 wheels.
For those who envision journeys without limits, the 2026 Luxury Multi-Decker Motorhome offers a world-class travel experience that rivals 5-star resorts. Thanks for watching Car Flair. Don't forget to subscribe for more incredible luxury motorhome showcases.
If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more reviews. Thanks for watching Car Flair.